Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to install Planet VPN extension on Android browser. For this, you have to go to Play Store and search for this browser and install this browser. After that, you will be able to see something like this. Make sure to give all the permission they want and then click on this four boxes and you will be able to see Chrome extension store. So click on it and here is the magic. You can see there are multiple extensions available in front of you. You can install any of them. If you are not able to find your extension, you can just go to search extension and themes and then search here like I want to install planet sorry planet VPN, and that's it. I can easily search and there are multiple VPNs available for Chrome users. From here you can install any Chrome extension you want, like this one is more popular than other, so I will just click on add to Chrome and let's click on add to Chrome and then I will click on OK. Then I will wait for a few seconds. After that we will see what is going on. So the best thing about this VPN is it's free of cost. Okay, here you can see they offer free VPN service. So if you want to try, let's see how it will work. So I will just search randomly and now I want to connect VPN. So I will go to four boxes and then you can see here there are Chrome extensions showing here. Okay, from here you can use any extension you want. You can see here by tapping on that extension you will be able to see the pop-up web page. Click on agree and continue and then click on connect to VPN, and from here you can easily connect to any free VPN server. There are also premium server, but if you don't have any penny, you can try these free servers to connect to the world and you can easily access those websites which are banned in your country. So that's it for this video guys. I hope you got it. Bye.